Hello all, this video is on affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that help us overcome our challenges as well as negative thoughts. It comes from the Latin word affirmare, which means to make steady or strengthen. Now some of us might have negative thoughts, and what eventually that does, it drags down our personal lives, our relationships and career. Now affirmations help us to overcome these negative thoughts. But some of you might think that affirmations are just unrealistic wishful thinking. Let's see. Why do we do physical exercise? To strengthen our body, to make it healthy. Similarly, affirmations are the exercise for our mind and outlook. These positive mental repetitions help us restructure our brain and purify our thoughts so that we can think and act differently. They also help us to raise our feel-good hormones and push our brains to form new positive thought neurons. What we do in affirmations, we affirm our ambitions and goals verbally, and thus we are instantly empowered with a deep sense of reassurance that these ambitions will become reality. So we need to choose our words very thoughtfully as that becomes our reality. And which are the two most powerful words? They are I am. So always start your affirmation with I am, because this is affirming for yourself. Let's see what all we need to take care of while defining the affirmations. I would quickly take you through 6 points. First one is analyze what to change. Just see and go through what behaviors, what are the beliefs that you want to change in each and every aspect of your life. It can be personal, it can be your confidence, it can be something about your career, it can be something about your money part. So see what you want to change and start writing affirmations for that particular area. Second point is frame positive affirmations. We might have negative beliefs, negative thoughts for ourselves, for someone else, for something. See internal self-talk which is hindering to your progress. Say for example, someone who is short-tempered, they will say, oh, I get angry very quickly. Rather than that, say it opposite. You need to say, I am calm and blissful soul, rather than I get angry. Third point is use present tense. We need to write and speak our affirmations as if it is happening right now. Though you need something which is in future. But affirmations are to be said it right now, because that helps us believe that this is happening and it is true right now. Fourth one is visualize it. This is something that you want in future. But when you say the affirmations and visualize it, that is, you are creating it for yourself. Say for example, I don't want to be late for that particular meeting. Say it as if I am reaching early for this meeting, and visualize it yourself reaching before time for that meeting. Fifth point is say it with feeling, with emotions. We are all energies. We are made up of energy. What we give is what we receive. Thus, when you are saying your affirmations, have that energy, the emotions that you want, and say it with emotions. Like, I am calm and blissful soul. Last point is repeat them frequently. Affirmations are to be repeated few times in a day. You decide, you choose when you want to do them. First is morning, it can be in middle of the day as well as before you go to bed. So these are the points that you need to take care of while writing affirmations, while saying affirmations. Now affirmations work when you do it properly, and it is combined with some strategies, some goal settings as well as feelings. So keep your focus on affirmations, how to write and say, and share your experiences. We'll be happy to hear that. Thank you for now. See you all. Bye.